are my hot peppers in olive oil with garlic. And this is what we do. This is how we eat it. Go ahead. Mmm. Is it hot? Is it good? Do you have any bread left? You getting any peppers?
Yeah, I saw a small piece. Oh, that's a rock.
Grandpa would be so proud of you.
I think we need some more on that baby. And maybe a little pepper. Or not. Alright.
Good stuff?
Good stuff.